Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add chapters to YouTube videos in just a few clicks. Step 1. Go to the link below and install this extension in your browser. Step 2. Pin the installed extension so you can access it quickly later. Step 3. Go to YouTube, open a video, and then launch the extension. If a YouTube video is already open, the extension will automatically grab the video link. If the input field is empty, simply paste the YouTube video link there. Step 4. Choose the chapter detail level. Surface, high-level overview. Medium, a balanced approach. Detailed, maximum granularity. If you're not sure which level to choose, go with medium. Step 5. Click the Generate Chapters button and wait about 10 to 15 seconds. For longer videos, it may take a bit more time. And voila! You've got SEO-friendly chapters with timestamps in just a few clicks. You can now copy them and paste into the comments or the video description if you're a creator,